Good morning. How do you do? Here's the first look at the garden today, folks. And what do I see back there? What do I see back there? What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Come on, Mr. B. What did I tell you? Number 4. No, this is number 3, sorry. This is number 3. I told you to be out full bloom today, so yesterday we'll call it day 1, today full bloom, and day 2. Look at this. The bees are all over it already. This guy is as tall as me. I grow really nice sunflowers, don't I? I think I really do. I like it like that. I hold these shots, folks, because it's just so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Number 3, you can see the outer edges, like we've talked about, are flowering already. And you know, the miracle of these flowers, like I said, behind all of that are the seeds forming. Amazing. God made the trees bearing seed. The herb tree yielding seed, bearing seed. Let's go over to number 4. We'll call him number 4, my west side flower on the west side of my garden. Out today. By the way, folks, today is Saturday, September the 7th. Can you believe it? It's already September 7th. Look at that. The top petals haven't come down yet, but they will. How sweet it is. We'll get a couple of close-ups here before we are done today. Yesterday's video went really long. I apologize. I value your time, so today will be shorter. Half a flower. I like those clouds in the sky too. They add to the shots. Okay, let's continue on here. I almost tripped in my garden. We got our these are some flowers that will be coming up soon. This guy's got a little bit of a bend on him now, so you can see him. This flower is taller than me right now. I like going inside here and taking a look of what's to come. Of what's to come. He's a tall one. This guy will be coming out tomorrow. This will probably be my number 5. So we'll name them by numbers. You can see my little sphere and cylinder in there. Getting ready to do it. Open up. And those little flowers are already forming little buds. Isn't that great? Now we got a shot here with these 3. That's going to be wonderful. Okay. And guess who this is? This is Sunny, and look at what happens when they get older and those heads are so heavy. They start to bend over. Quite a bend there, but we can lift him back up. He's got all of his hair. This is day 9 for my Sunny. Look at that guy. I don't think the bees are interested anymore. But the seeds are back there, folks, behind that white back there. See that white? You can see those flowers. They have bloomed, and back behind that white are the sunflowers, seeds that I might use for next year, or the birds will eat. But that's my Sonny in all his glory. I'll get a picture with him before I'm done today. The leaves are nice and big. And this is my east side. This is actually, I called him number 3 yesterday. This is numeral 2, number 2. With the clouds, it makes for a good shot, doesn't it? So there's my east side, folks. You can see the head is maturing. This is day 4 for this guy. You can see how that's working. You got a little bee there as they help with the process here. Isn't this cool? Still got some room there in the center. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness. I did not know this was happening. Look at this guy. Oh man, he's caught me by surprise. Another east side flower here. This is one of my original plants that I planted back in the end of June. So 1, 2, 3. This could be tied with 4. This could be tied with 4th. I might call him 4 and the other one over there 5. Look at this. Look at how beautiful this is. What a blessing. What a blessing. It's a shorter plant. This little guy is really starting to grow now. Okay, folks. So we got 1. This was 2. That's going to be 3. I'll call this 4. And we'll call him 5. And tomorrow this guy will be 6. Photo op time, number 6. 4th day here for number 2. Number 2. Okay, Sonny. Oh, pull Sonny back. Ooh, look how big he is. Look how big this flower is. Man. Oh, it's big. I think it's day 9 for Sonny. He's just doing great. My first flower. Remember how small he was? Remember how small he was? Oh, look at this guy. Looky here. Feel the warmth on our face on a cold winter's day. He's taller than me. Look at this guy. 6'1", 6'2". That's it for now. Larry Capetto, Gardening with Larry. Thank you for joining me and my birds and my flowers and my cats out in the yard over there. Maybe we'll get a shot of Millie before we're done. Beholding his glory with an unveiled face, folks. And I'll see you next time. God bless you. Milling around, eating the grass. watching LARÉ TV. Watch your gardening with Larry.